So family, this is his first time welding. Keep it tight. Today is his first day. He's 19 years old, and the goal is to change his life, family. And the way he's going, I think it's gonna be okay. Yeah, that's good. Keeping it tight. You see his angle. He got a good angle, good posture. He's doing good. And he's welding with a 60-10. We starting out with 60-18 on one side of the plate. And then once they run beads on that one side, we'll flip it over. And then we'll run 70-18 on the other side of the plate. But as you see, he's doing good. He's keeping it tight. He's doing his patterns. He's doing like a circular motion. And he's just working and finessing it, taking his time. No rush. Like a walk in the park. He ain't trying to go nowhere too fast. He's doing good. Woo. We're gonna let him paint it off and see what it looks like, man. Wasn't bad. Wasn't bad. All gone.